Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to use the hair tonics on Red Dead Redemption 2. So to use the hair tonic, you must buy it from the general shop. So open your map and then find the nearest general shop. And after you find it, just go inside the shop and approach the shopkeeper. And after you approach the shopkeeper, hold the right mouse button. And in the right button corner, you can see the options and go for the options, browse catalog, holding E on your keyboard. And after your character opens the catalog, all you have to do is go for the options, tonic, click it or just hit enter. And after that, the hair tonic can be found at the first piece, and to buy, just click it with your mouse or hit enter. And after you buy it, open your satchel pressing B on your keyboard. As you just bought it, it can be in the recent or it can be right here at this section, the key. So, and to use it, all you have to do is just click it or hit enter after you select the hair tonic. So guys, this is how you use hair tonics on Red Dead Redemption 2. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.